Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's look at this proof, okay? So this one is under hyperbolic function. Now in short, if I write cos, x, okay, this is the normal trig ratio, but once I make it cos, okay, and I add h, okay, this one will be cosh x. So this one is hyperbolic. So we have for sin x, then tan, and what have you. Now I want to look at the proof. We have to prove that cosh squared x minus sin squared x equals to 1. Now before that, if I say cosh, okay, cosh is the same as e raised to x plus e raised to minus x on 2. Then sin. So sin will be e raised to x minus e raised to minus x on 2. Remember, this one is the same as half of e raised to x minus plus e raised minus. This one is also half of minus e raised to minus x. Okay, so the rest becomes algebra. Now I want to focus on this. So cosh squared x, so that will be everything squared. So we have e raised x plus e raised minus x on 2 all squared. Okay, minus. So that is cosh. Now let's look at the sin. So the only difference will be the minus here. So we have this minus that on 2 all squared. Now I want to show whether this one will give us 1. Once we get 1, it means we are correct. Now let's get started by expanding both sides. We have a plus b all squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So you want to use the same analogy here. So this one will be applicable to the numerator. So let's go. Now from here, the denominator will be 4. Okay. So I will square this. That will be e raised to 2x plus 2 times this times that. 2 times e raised to x times e raised to minus x. And I will square last term plus e raised to minus 2x. We have minus here. So this side is also 4. So we have the first term, e raised to 2x, 2 times that. So minus 2 times e raised to x times e raised to minus x. And this one squared plus e raised to minus 2x. As simple as that. Now let's open the brackets. Remember, this negative will affect this. So we have e raised to 2x plus e raised to x, e raised minus x plus e raised to minus 2x. So on 4 minus. So this side will be minus e, and this side will be plus, and this side will be minus. So minus. So we have plus 2e raised to x, e raised to minus x. So we have plus, and this side will be minus. Minus on 4. Okay, so let's go again. Now we have a common denominator, so everything is 4. So we can assemble this. So we have e raised to, okay, minus e raised to x, then plus 2 e raised to x times e raised to minus x plus 2 e raised to x, e raised to minus x. And we have plus e raised to minus 2x minus e raised to minus 2x. Simple as that. Okay. So from there, this one will cancel, and this one will cancel. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have 4 e raised to x times e raised to minus x on 4. Okay. So this one will cancel this. I will leave it e raised to x times e raised to minus x. So let's perform indices. So the bases are equal. So let's add the powers. So we have e raised to x plus minus x. That will be x minus x will be 0. And e raised to 0 is 1. So hence proved. All right. So that's that.